Did you know a very interesting fact about achieving goals revealed by 90 years of scientific research is that if you make your commitment known to others or if you explain your goals to someone close to you, you are much more likely to achieve it. Why? Because of the accountability part of it. While on the other hand, if you keep it all to yourself, it has a bigger chance of getting muddled with the 1500 other thoughts a minute that a normal person has. And so we end up forgetting all about it. Now we set goals in life to stay focused and have a sense of purpose. And there are two key elements to achieving goals in life. The one is about the technical part of the goal itself, and the other concerns you. It's about the goal setup. Now the first part, the technical part of goal setting, is about setting SMART goals. SMART as in specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-based. Basically the moving parts of a goal. And the second part that makes a goal achievable is what you do to make those moving parts work smoothly. I call it the 3 P's of achieving goals. Let me show you how it works. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nandyz and this channel is for you if you want to uncomplicate and take back control of your life one step at a time. Please feel free to jump in the comments below with any questions you have, or if you have any other views or thoughts on this topic, and we will turn this into a conversation. Alright, let's begin.
The first P is phrase, the second P is plan with a twist, and the third P makes all the moving parts of achieving goals stick together smoothly. Let's first take the first P, phrase. Choose a phrase that would guide all your actions and decisions for that particular goal. For example, if you choose focus and commit as your phrase, before making any decision or taking any action, you would check whether those are still focused on the goal. If they are, you commit to see them through even if it demands you stepping out of your comfort zone. It's tough love, but puts you on the shortest route to achieving your goals. In other words, set the intention for something that's most likely to derail your efforts. Like if you are setting a goal about exercising more, you have to be realistically specific about more and keep track of your progress. But if you also set an intention for check long-term importance, then what happens is every time you decide to skip your fitness routine for something else, you will, that's right, check long-term importance. Will the thing you are intending to do instead of exercising serve you better in the long term than staying fit and healthy? It won't be a surprise if you come up with a no, it won't. See what we are doing here? The first P, phrase, is kind of a compass that keeps correcting your course to keep you on the right track. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, give it a like so that I know what you find useful, and so keep on creating more like those. The second P of this 3P pie is plan, but with a twist. It's flexi plan. So what do is we create an action plan to reach a goal like we normally do, but we make some review and wriggle space to realign from time to time. Now the flexi part of it makes sure that you make the most efficient use of your time and energy, because sometimes we find it better to change the pace of things based on how well or not well we have been able to stick to the plan. And sometimes we lose motivation to follow through the actions halfway through, and the goal slowly slides down our priority list, like exercising more or eating healthier. They are usually the ones that lose steam very quickly. But sometimes it's also that whether we consciously realize it or not, our priorities, likes and dislikes, change over time. And it certainly doesn't wait for us to reach an end goal before doing that. So when you chalk in review and realign time in your plan, it makes sure that you don't waste your time and energy on goals that have either lost their conviction or priority for you. And so now we come to the third P that makes all the moving parts of a goal stick together smoothly. It's practice, but with an aim to make actions essentially become effortless by turning them into habits. When there are things we have to do on repeat to reach a certain goal, they turn boring after a while. Basically, it becomes a chore. And as you keep losing interest, it becomes harder to stick to those tasks. And we all know what happens after that. Yep, it gets added to the pile of incomplete goals. But what if you could turn those boring tasks, those chores, into effortless actions like brushing your teeth every morning? That just comes naturally to you even before you are fully awake, right? So find that one action which has the potential to unravel the whole effort and focus on turning that one action into a habit. Because habit in simple language is effortless action. Let's again take the example of exercising daily. The biggest thing that throws people off track on this is making yourself get up, get dressed, and begin exercising in the morning. So let's turn that into a habit. We will go into how to create habits that stick in a future video, but for now, let me just show you how to do that for this example. So first, keep the alarm clock or smartphone or whatever you use for waking up in the morning further away than you usually do so that you have to leave your bed to turn it off. Second, put your workout clothes either over it or near where you brush your teeth. It will act as a handy reminder triggered by your daily action. And so you say, what the heck, I'll just go for it. And so you keep doing this day after day, well, around 21 days, and it starts to turn into a habit. Now, that's not too tough, is it? But remember not to compare your progress with anyone else. If your friend can be ready for a marathon in 30 days and you can't, it doesn't mean that you will never run a marathon or win it. Have faith in your qualities and trust the process because everyone reaches their goals at their own speed. It does highlight the perseverance of those who reach goals faster, but at the same time, it doesn't reflect anything on the qualities of those who are yet to reach there. Whatever your journey looks like, it simply shows the best that could be done with the tools given to you, your unique blend of circumstances and qualities. So focus on the process instead of where you stand compared to those before you. And when you appreciate what you have, your qualities, and respect your uniqueness, instead of depending on external stamps on your capacity, it boosts your self-esteem and makes you feel good about yourself. And if you want to give up the habit of selling yourself short, even to yourself, then make sure you watch this video right over here to learn about the 3 real-life techniques to boost self-esteem.